xalqaro ilmiy aloqalarni kengaytirish hamda zamonaviy tibbiy biologik tadqiqotlarni rivojlantirish maqsadida navbatdagi muhim uchrashuv Toshkent vaksina va zardoblar ilmiy tadqiqot institutida bo'lib o'tdi. Koreya Respublikasining nufuzli oliy ta'lim muassasasi Hallem universiteti professori, farmakologiya va nevrologiya sohasida yetakchi olim Sung Oh-huk institutimizga tashrif buyurdi.
And also he worked very hard and he didn't hesitate to come to Korea to finish his PhD thesis work. And even after that, after he found a job in here, he still came to Korea, Yonsei University and my university. And then we just collaborated. And he even brought some ideas so that my lab people really pursue experiment.
Tashrif davomida tomonlar ilmiy tadqiqot sohasidagi hamkorlik istiqbollari, qo'shma loyihalarni amalga oshirish, yosh tadqiqotchilar uchun tajriba almashish dasturlarini yo'lga qo'yish hamda ilmiy ishlanmalarni amaliyotga joriy etish masalalarini muhokama qildilar. Mazkur uchrashuv institut faoliyatini xalqaro ilmiy maydonga olib chiqish, ilg'or tajribalarni joriy etish hamda strategik hamkorlikni mustahkamlash yo'lida yuqori imkoniyatlar eshigini institut uchun ochib beradi.